Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we are going to learn the standard form and expanded form of a number in a very interesting way with lots of examples and worksheets. So what do I mean by standard form of a number and how do we expand the number? इसे जानने के लिए इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और हाँ, इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी शेयर कीजिए so that they can also learn. So let's get started.
After watching this video, students will be able to identify the place values of digits in a number. They will be able to express the digits of given number in expanded form according to their place values. They will be able to express the given expanded number in standard form. So children, before starting the standard form and expanded form, let us quickly recap the place value. So children, let's take a number 8572. There are 4 digits in this number and every digit in a number has a value. The value of each digit depends on its place in a number. In other words, we can say place value is the value of a digit according to its place and position in a number. So children, let's take a number 8572. Now we will write this number in a place value chart. As there are 4 digits, so we take 4 columns. This is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place, and this is thousands place. Very good. And now we will write this number in this chart. Children, we can either start from the left or from right, but it is always good idea to start from the ones column and move to the left. So we start from the right side, from the ones place value. So write 2 in the ones place, 7 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place, and 8 in the thousands place. So we say 2 ones, 7 tens, 5 hundreds, and 8 thousands. So it is 2 ones. 2 ones is nothing but 2. 7 tens, which is equal to 7 into 10, 70. 5 is in 100 place. Very good. So it is 5 into 100, 500. And this is 8. 8 is at thousands place. So we write 8 into 1000, that is 8000. Now we can write 8000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 2. We write 8 as 8000 as it is in thousands place. 5 as 500 as it is at hundreds place. 7 as 70 as it is at tens place. And 2 as it is at ones place. So this is called expanded form. Very good. So expanded form means writing the place value of the different digits and then adding them. So children, चलिए इसको एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. Write the expanded form of 943. We already know that expanded form means writing the place values of the different digits and then adding them. इसका मतलब है कि हमें सबसे पहले सभी डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यू को पता करना होगा. So let's write this number in a place value chart. As there are 3 numbers, so we take 3 columns. So let's start from the ones column. Write 3 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, and 9 in the hundreds place. So here we can see 3 ones. 3 1 is nothing but 3. 4 tens, which is equal to 4 into 10, yani 40. 9 is at hundreds place, so 9 into 100 is equal to 900. So we write 9 as 900, 4 as 40, and 3 is 3. यहाँ पर हमने 9 को 900 लिखा क्योंकि ये 100 प्लेस पर था, इसलिए इसकी वैल्यू 900 है. 4 को हमने 40 लिखा क्योंकि 4 टेंस प्लेस पर है. And 3 is written as 3 is at ones place. So expanded form of 943 is equal to 900 plus 40 plus 3, means writing the place value of every digit and adding them. चलिए एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Let's take another number 365. अब इसको एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में लिखने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें क्या पता करना होगा? Yes, you are right. We will have to find out the place value of every digit in this number. So, let's write this number in a place value chart. यहाँ पर कितने डिजिट हैं? यहाँ पर 3 digits हैं. So, let's take 3 columns. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. Let's start from the right, from the ones place. So write 5 at the ones place, 6 at the tens place, and 3 at the hundreds place. 5 ones. 5 1 is nothing but 5. Very good. 6 tens. 6 tens means 6 into 10, which is equal to 60. And 3 is at hundreds place. So we write 3 into 100, which is equal to 300. यहाँ पर हमने 3 को 300 लिखा क्योंकि ये 100 प्लेस पर था. So we can write it as 300 plus 60 plus 5. That is called the expanded form. So expanded form of 365 is equal to 300 plus 60 plus 5. Very good. Now let's move to the standard form of number. So what do we mean by standard form of number? Writing very large expanded form of number into small form or small number. Let's take an example. Write the number in standard form. 200 plus 30 plus 1. Children, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि ये किस फॉर्म में है? Yes, it is in expanded form. So children, now we will learn how to write the number in a standard form, means in a small form. सबसे पहले हम इन डिजिट्स का प्लेस आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे और फिर इन डिजिट्स को प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में लिखेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 200. 200 means 2 is at hundreds place, so we write 2 in hundreds place. 30. 30 means 3 tens, so we write 3 at tens place. 1. 1 means 1 ones, so we write 1 in the ones column. So we get the number 231, yani 231. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म। तो हमने देखा 200 प्लस 30 प्लस 1 is equal to 231. This is called the expanded form and this is called the standard form. चलिए एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं। 900 प्लस 7। तो सबसे पहले हम इस नंबर्स को प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में लिखेंगे। सबसे पहले आता है वंस, देन टेंस एंड देन हंड्रेड्स। Here 900. 900 means 9 is at hundreds place. So we write the 9 in the hundreds column. The next is 7. 7 ones. So we write the 7 into ones columns. लेकिन आपने यहाँ पर देखा कि यहाँ पर टेंस कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम टेंस कॉलम में 0 लिखेंगे। So we read the number 900 plus 7 which is equal to 907 means 907. So this is called the standard form. So children, here is a worksheet for your practice. Write in expanded form. ये कुछ numbers हैं जिनको आपको expanded form में लिखना है and write the number in standard form. और इन नंबर्स को आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है। आप इन एग्जाम्पल्स को बार बार देखिए और एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म को इन वर्कशीट्स को सॉल्व करके इनके आंसर्स कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए। आई विल चेक योर आंसर्स।
सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप कि अब आपको प्लेस वैल्यू, स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म की काफ़ी क्लैरिटी हो गई होगी। इस वीडियो में दिए गए जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स हैं और वर्कशीट्स हैं, आप उनको बार बार ट्राई कीजिए। बहुत सारी वर्कशीट्स आपको simmisachdevaeduworld.blogspot.com पर भी मिलेंगी, आप उनको भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। सो बहुत जल्द मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ। टिल देन, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस, थैंक यू।